Hey Rob, this is Eddie. I just happened to be walking in the neighborhood here. I thought I'd walk around and estimate everything one more time. And I'm going to get you a quote to get the house wash down below. You can see the options: the deck wash, the front and back, and getting the siding restored, pergola above. And so because we offer that gentle detergent wash, we're not using any high pressure, so you don't have to worry about the pergola in the back getting any high pressure damage. It's just a gentle clean. And as far as the windows go, a lot of times homeowners find that their windows become like 70% cleaner than what they are now, because we're removing all that film of dirt or dust. And but if you did want to have a more effective spot-free clean, if you wanted to pull all your screens, gather them up by your garage, or just pull the bottom pins below each window, and then we can gather them up for you if you'd like, wash them, and then when we're washing the house, we can flush out the window tracks and the window wells really nicely, get all those bugs out of there. When we're done with the house wash, we'll go from window to window and do a reverse osmosis DI window cleaning technique with a water-fed pull from the ground safely. Our super purified water is going to ensure that as we scrub all of that dirt off your windows, when the water dries, your windows come out spot and streak free. So similar to like the last bit of slow water at a car wash. When you drive away, you don't have to dry your car off, because that water is free of any minerals and impurities. So you'll be good to go there if you decide to have us do the window cleaning this year. So if like to have us on the schedule, I'd encourage you to do sooner than later, because late April, May, we get pretty swamped. So look forward to working with you again. Take care.